Make sure the clock is not running. Make sure the weights are on. Put the minute hand, the long hand, loosely on the center square. Advance the hand clockwise to the next quarter. You will hear a click. The click will chime 4 notes on the first quarter hour, 8 notes on the half hour, 12 notes on the 3/4 hour, and 16 notes on the full hour. Take the hand off and put it on pointing to the quarter hour that it played. You'll notice that the hand might not be quite lined up exactly to the quarter. It may activate a few minutes early or a few minutes after the quarter. Take the hand off. Turn the hand over to the back side. With a pair of channel lock or locking pliers, grab the round bushing. If the chiming occurs before the quarter, hold the bushing and move the hand clockwise a little. If the chiming occurs after the quarter, hold the bushing and move the hand counterclockwise. You may need to trial and error this adjustment until you get it set exactly right. The hand should be on the correct quarter hour simultaneously with the click. Now move the minute hand through the quarters until you find the full hour, 16 notes, and count the hour strikes. Take the minute hand off and put the hour hand on the hour it struck. Both hands are now synchronized. Move the minute hand to the next quarter. Hold the hand directly over the quarter hour digit and put the hand nut on finger tight. With a pair of needle nose pliers, snug the nut on the shaft. Move the minute hand through the quarters one at a time, making sure it is chiming and striking the correct quarter and hour. Set the time using only the minute hand, forward or backwards, and then swing the pendulum.